The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Arjan, Mark, Dennis, guys, good morning. Today is Thursday, December 28th. We finally got our first bot trade of the day. First bot trade of the day. Not much going on here, guys, at all. Hope you guys had a great afternoon. Mark, good morning. Hope yesterday's group meeting answered the final questions. We do have a few guys that are active, and we'll see how they do today as well with the algo. In any event, guys, good morning. Second to last day of the year. I am not expecting a whole lot today. Yesterday was not a terrible trade, albeit a slow one. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Tomorrow, of course, will be the last day of trials. Monday, we are off. There is no order flow class on Monday, as you guys are aware. We'll pick it up a week from Monday. In any event, let's let's get the disclaimer out of the way. Let's take a look at some charts. Morning, Robert. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, excuse me, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, there's our disclaimer. So we've got target 1 filled on gold. If it gets target 2, I do have crude bot on. I didn't run the 1 minute this morning, though this morning would have been a 1 minute. Let's see what it would have done. Nah. Failed long, small winning short. Nice long here. Nice long. Failed short, failed long, and a long. The only reason I've deviated this week is because of the volume, guys. If anybody wants to sing or dance, holler. Do some stand up. I'll give you the mic. I've got nothing. Morning, Hubba. Guys, 30 range bot is in a trade. 30 range is short. It's got a $400 runner. I'm going to be shutting bots off. I'm done for the day with bots. That's it. They've made their money. Done. Yesterday's close was 113. We're going to head to 113, I would think. Got a pullback, small pullback short here. Excuse me. I'm going to try a short here. Little scalp short.
Order canceled.
Now we're just sitting. Ten minutes holding some support. Come on, break down, do something. Small buyers here. Need to come down through 24.75 and it breaks down. There it goes. I think this pushes to 13. Maybe 17 initially. I'd like to see us come down here to this 11 quarter. Small sellers now, guys. There it goes.
Order filled.
All right.
Order filled.
I close that short with a small gain.
Order filled.
Nothing. This is still coming down, I think. Crappy little volume. Going up. I'm waiting for some momentum on the upside. I mean, Could probably might have to wait till next week. Got some on 600 tick. Got a long on the 600 tick. Obviously not going very far.
Boeing is urging operators to inspect specific tie rods, says the FAA. Boeing shares moving a little bit lower on these headlines here, down about 0.5%.
We're sitting on some 10-minute support. If it breaks down, this could go all the way back to 42. I'm looking for, there's some stacked imbalances. All right, here we go on the algo. Resistance here. There we go. Come on, give me that 450. Let's go. Trying to crawl through one standard deviation.
Order filled.
Just have an open runner.
More than 15 minutes into trading session, we're green for the Dow, the S&P, and the Nasdaq. The Russell 2000 is down about 0.25%.
Dow is green.
The dollar index is flat.
Dollar index flat. This is my last bot trade of the day. Wherever this ends up, that's where the bots end up for the day. Come on, give me something. Got a 32 buyer here, but that's it.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay. Algos just took longs. There's one. And here's one. One tick from that target. One tick. No volume here, guys. None. None. Tube. As we end Thursday, December 28th, the bots were up $1,075 on 2 trades. That's all they took. 2 trades.
Total exports rose to 11.1.